Affirmative sentence. They play games. Interrogative sentence. Do they play games? Negative sentence. They don't play games. Negative interrogative sentence. Don't they play games? He eats chicken pizza. Does he eat chicken pizza? He doesn't eat chicken pizza. Doesn't he eat chicken pizza? You go shopping. Do you go shopping? You don't go shopping. Don't you go shopping? I play chess. Do I play chess? I don't play chess. Don't I play chess? She watches cartoon movies. Does she watch cartoon movies? She doesn't watch cartoon movies. Doesn't she watch cartoon movies? They read magazines. Do they read magazines? They don't read magazines. Don't they read magazines? We eat breakfast. Do we eat breakfast? We don't eat breakfast. Don't we eat breakfast? He drinks coffee. Does he drink coffee? He doesn't drink coffee. Doesn't he drink coffee? He drinks water. Does he drink water? He doesn't drink water. Doesn't he drink water? I go gym. Do I go gym? I don't go gym. Don't I go gym?